If you're still using your TV's slow, outdated smart menu, you're doing it wrong. This is the Roku Streaming Stick HD, and it might be the easiest way to upgrade your entire entertainment setup without buying a new TV. Let's dive into why this little stick is a game changer. First off, the design. It's tiny. It plugs directly into your HDMI port and disappears behind your TV. No messy wires hanging down. Setup takes about 5 minutes. You plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're greeted by the cleanest interface in the streaming world. No clutter, just your apps. But the real star here is the Roku Voice Remote. If you're tired of typing out movie titles letter by letter using an on-screen keyboard, you'll love this. Just hold the button and say, "Find action movies" or "Launch Netflix." It even has TV controls, so you can ditch your bulky original remote and control your TV's power and volume right from here. Now let's talk about the free part. Roku gives you access to the Roku channel, which is packed with free movies, shows, and over 350 live TV channels. You get news, sports, and classic TV without a monthly subscription. If you're trying to cut the cord and save money, this is your best friend. Even though it's the HD version, the picture is crisp and the streaming is fast. It uses a long-range Wi-Fi receiver, so if your router is in another room, you won't have to deal with that annoying buffering while mid-movie. For the price, the Roku Streaming Stick HD is hard to beat. It's fast, the voice search is top tier, and the free content is a huge bonus. But what do you think? Are you a Roku fan or do you prefer Fire Stick? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gadget reviews here at 5 Star Gadget Gallery. See you in the next one.